Hello everybody, I'm gonna share my analysis with you on Bitcoin's US dollar chart. But before I continue, I'm going to show you which strategy do I use and what do I think the market is gonna do. So the strategy I use is that it is market structure. So in a market structure, you have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. And how do you determine the structure has changed? When you have a higher low, but the low is swept. Okay, so if the low is swept, then we have a bearish market. Okay, so the market structure changed. Let me go more in that. So if there are higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower high, higher low, lower highs, that's how a bearish market works. How do we determine the structure change? When this one is broken, this lower high is broken. On this analysis, I'm going to share with you that what is the market gonna do next. Okay, let me show you my past experiences first, that how I determined and how it works for me. So you see that market was bullish, there were higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and see, higher high, higher low, and higher high, but this was a higher low, and this was bullish until here, until at this point. So I marked this place, like here it was retesting here, but it was bullish until we broke it here. We broke it here, and then we had a lower high at this point. And on this candle, let me see, on this candle, yes, on this candle I opened my position. On this candle I shorted the market, and this was my stop loss, this high. Okay, and my take profit was lower than this candle and the next support. Okay, so the next support was this, and this was my take profit, this place, and you can see it got hit, and we had another lower high. So next time I shorted at this point, that the resistance, and my take profit was here on this candle, but it went all the way here again. But at this point I was expecting another low, but it did not come. Okay, so the market structure shifted. When this broke, market structure shifted. So the next time you can long is on a lower high, but let me show you that until what point it would have come, it would have stayed bullish. So when the structure shifted, okay, this low and there was a high, this could, I longed here, okay, at this point, but even it could have come here. At this point it would have stayed bullish, but we cannot keep such a long stop loss. So my stop loss was previous highs low. It did not get swept, and I closed my positions here. So now let's move on to the market and see what Bitcoin is currently doing, and let's see. Okay, so let me go into the daily chart first. Let me remove these so I can explain it to you guys, that what's happening. And this is the December 11th chart. Okay, so here we had higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Let me go into the 4-hour charts. Okay, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high. But here, see, the structure has shifted here. So when the market came at this price, I opened my position. So currently you can see it went all the way here, but it is now retesting, and this is my stop loss currently. And let me show you my take profit. My take profit is our lows. Okay, the next low is my take profit. Okay, whenever the price changes the trend, it can only bounce back from the next support. Okay, which is this. So this is my first take profit, and if the price bounces back, then I will consider for another short. And my second take profit is this. Okay, these don't mind these lines, these are just for analysis. And my next take profit would be where I would close my other positions, like 60% I would close here, 40% here will be this. And this is the CMA gap. I will explain later how it works. For now, let me just continue on this trend. Okay, so the price, let me show you how long it can bounces. It will stay bearish, so it can go all the way here, but it is bearish unless it breaks this point. So as long as it doesn't break this stays bearish. And this is my TP, and until it changes the structure again, like I showed you, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. As long as the low is not broken, it stays bearish. Okay, it stays bullish, sorry. But now what happens in bear market, it makes higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, lower high, higher lows. As long as it doesn't shift the structure again, I will consider the market bearish. It has worked for me so overall, and I use 4-hour and daily charts. Currently my position is open. Let's see what happens. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching.